This video is for people who are brand new to fingerpicking, never tried it before, or just need some extra help. These exercises are perfect to get you started, to get your fingers moving, just the essentials. So let's get started. Pretend you're holding a remote control. Feels nice and natural. Then bring that shape to the ukulele where you're assigning one finger for one string. Your thumb will pick down on the fourth string. This will pick up, index will pick up on the third string, and so on. Okay, but before we start finger picking, I just want you to get used to placing your fingers into that shape. Practice lifting them up and placing them back down again. Do that about 10 times. The next exercise you can do is pinch the strings all together, all 4 strings at the same time, where your thumb is coming down and these fingers are coming up. And as you place your fingers back on the strings, it deadens the sound. Let's practice playing shorter notes. Let's go back to long ones. Short ones. That's what I would call home position. Strings are numbered from the ground up, so this is string 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you pick down the strings, see if you can keep your fingers on the strings until you play them. Then once you play them, lift them up as you go up. But when you get back to 4, place them back down and start again. Go as slowly as you need. Keep the volume consistent and the rhythm steady. If that's too fast, slow it down. Next exercise is when you play string 4, also include string 1, and when you play string 1, also include string 4. So 4 and 1 are always played together. Same pattern where you go 4 and 1, 3, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Let's play some different durations of the beats. We're going to play longer beats and then shorter beats. You want to get used to putting your fingers back down on the strings to deaden the sound. Let's play some chords with that. Let's play a G. And then the short ones, let's play a C. And then G. And then short ones on the C. And now we'll play picking down with the strings and up like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting the beats now. They are strings 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. But we're going to count the beats. We're going to do 6 beats on G, 6 beats on C, and 6 beats on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. That's D. 3, 4, back to G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on G. Keep it easy, stay relaxed. Practice a few minutes each day and you'll see some real progress. Most importantly, just keep on playing.